here we go. Let's get him in the dirt. That's where he's best at. All right, here we go. It's a little rainy out here, a little cloudy. We got a small drizzle in the air right now. Yeah, it's a little wet. It's a little gray. But we out here with the Cub. Let's go. All right, here we go, taking off. The Cub's in the air, baby. Yeah, that thing floating up there nicely, straight cruising. Yep. Let's bring them down. All right, we're in intermediate mode right now. Let's take them off of safe. Let's take them off of intermediate and fly them. Let's go right over us. I got right over me. Rainy, dark, gray day. But we out here flying. Out here with Big Bird. Carbon Cub, 1.3 meters. Look at that, just chilling. It's going right over us. Yep. Right in front of us. Let's go. Hey, still got it. Still got it. Right in front of us. Still doing this thing. Let's go. Right over me. Look at that. Right in front of us. Oh, flying nice. Let's go, Big Bird. Like I said, we out here. There it goes. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. I knew it was going to happen. Woo! It's only a matter of time. Time for a new fuselage. And everything broke on that thing, huh? What? Even my rudder broke on that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Woo, game over. Nice. Time for a new fuselage. Everything. Wow. Wow. It's the first time our fuselage is broken. Yeah, here we go. That's the first time the tail broke. Lights are still going. Battery's still good. Huh? All right.